everyone. My name is Fifi. How are you today? That's wonderful. How am I today? I am great. Do you know what we are learning today? Can I give you a hint? It is the second letter in the alphabet. Do you know what the second letter in the alphabet is? That's right, it's B. B. Do you know what sound the letter B makes when we say words that start with B? You don't? Well, I can tell you. It's B, B, B. Now your turn. Say B, B, B. Good job. B, B, B. Do you know any words that start with the letter B? You do? Let me tell you the words I like that start with the letter B. You can say it with me. B is for ball. Ball. I have a bouncy ball. B is for bus. Bus. Brum, 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 brum. I like to ride on the bus. B is for bat. I have a baseball bat. Or the bat flies around in the air. B is for bee. The bee. The bee is buzzing, buzz, all around. B is for broom. The broom. I sweep the floor with the broom. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Now, do you know some more B words? Great job! Now, I was wondering, how do you write the letter B? Today, I will teach you how to write the capital B. Start from the top and make a line down. Then you go back to the top again and make a curve to the middle. Make another curve from the middle to the bottom. Great! You did it! Now let's review. What sound does the letter B make? Can you remember? Great! B, B, B. I'm so proud of you. You're so smart. Name 3 words that start with the letter B. Good. Yes. Woohoo! Great job. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Hey, Fluffer over here. Would you please subscribe up there? please. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Did you subscribe? Yes? Oh. Okay. Bye bye.